Hello everyone, quiet today, quiet tonight, but starting tomorrow, things start to get crazy. But before we get to the crazy weather, let's start with the quiet weather. Quiet but cold today. Just partly cloudy skies, no chance of rain, no chance of snow. But boy, these temperatures, not where we would like them to be. 13 in Omaha, 17 in Lincoln for our high temperature. Yes, our high temperature this afternoon. 19 looks to be the warm spot in Hebron and Falls City. And not a lot of wind today, but gusts around 15 miles per hour, so it is going to feel colder than this. Look what it's going to be feeling like this afternoon. Around 0 in Omaha, 2 in Fremont, no warmer than 10 in Hebron. So this is what you need to be prepared for this afternoon. The good news, though, is I do think the winds are going to peak early this afternoon and then they're going to die down. And tonight, really a lot of the night, it looks like winds are only going to be around 5 miles per hour, maybe a gust up to 10 miles per hour. So these are our low temperatures, which you'll notice are pretty much like our feels like temperatures this afternoon. And I will say just enough wind where you could take a couple degrees off these temperatures, but it's really not going to feel much different tonight than what we're going to be feeling this afternoon because winds are going to be lighter tonight, but certainly a cold night. And we'll call it a mostly cloudy night, but still dry. In fact, right now it looks like even the morning commute tomorrow is going to be dry. Right now it doesn't look like the snow will begin, and not much, but isolated snow showers begin around 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. But then the snow is going to be filling in. And by the time we get to 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we'll call it scattered snow showers. Also, as we transition into the afternoon, it's going to get breezy again. Gusts 20, 25 miles per hour. We're just going to gradually see the winds increase. So this is early afternoon. Notice homebound commute. Unlike the morning commute, which is looking dry, we do expect moderate to perhaps some pockets of heavy snow to be around late Wednesday afternoon. And then we might see actually a break Wednesday evening. There might be, it looks like a gap in between two areas of snow. So this is 10 o'clock Wednesday evening. And notice not a whole lot going on, but that second area of snow starting to push in. Look how our temperatures really coming down. This is going to be the really big push of cold air. And I think the most widespread heavy snow is going to be late Wednesday night. And because these temperatures so cold, this is going to be what we see during the day tomorrow is going to be a pretty wet snow. But for tomorrow night, this is going to be a dry, fluffy snow, and it's really going to be piling up. By the way, by the time we get to about midnight tomorrow night, when the heaviest snow is coming down, it's going to get windy as well. And so we're talking about a significant wind chill factor. And then this is the biggest question right now. Now, this model says we dry out by 9 a.m. Thursday morning. But there are still some models that keep the snow going throughout the day on Thursday, especially in the eastern part of the area. Probably not heavy snow. I do think the heaviest snow will be over with by 9 a.m. But how long does the light snow linger over us? That's the biggest question we have right now. And ultimately, that's going to dictate how much snow we see. But look at these temperatures Thursday morning. -3, -7, -9 at 9 a.m. in the morning. And winds even stronger. 9 a.m. Thursday morning, gusts are going to be around 45 miles per hour. So those feels like temperatures, -20, -25, maybe getting to around -30. That is a possibility for early Thursday morning. So, again, the big question is how long does the snow last on Thursday? Does it all end, like that model shows you, at 9 a.m. Thursday morning? Or does it last through the day Thursday, at least some light snow until it comes to an end Thursday evening? That's the question. When exactly does the snow end on Thursday? So, that's the question right now as far as snow totals go. If the snow doesn't end until Thursday evening, we could see as much as 6 inches of snow in southeast Nebraska. But if that model that I just showed you is right and it ends Thursday morning, then we're probably only going to see snow totals more around 3 inches. Most likely it's going to be somewhere in between, so 4 and 5 inches looks most likely right now, though there's still time for it to come in more on the low end or more on the high end. I'll keep you posted on that. And I will say if you're looking for a trend, it's more likely we would see 6 inches of snow in the eastern part of the area, and the farther west you live, more likely it is it's only going to be around 3 inches. But unfortunately, regardless, we're probably going to see the worst wind, whether there's light snow coming down or not, is going to be Thursday afternoon. Thursday afternoon, I talked about in the morning already gusts 40, 45 miles per hour, but Thursday afternoon gusts around 50 miles per hour. And it's definitely strong enough to bring down some tree branches, bring down some power lines. So isolated power outages, a possibility on Thursday to go along with really cold temperatures. And I think the worst, because unfortunately it is still going to be windy, though that's going to be the peak of the wind Thursday afternoon. Friday morning, it is still going to be windy. And early Friday morning, the average low temperature in southeast Nebraska is going to be minus 13. Because of those strong winds, look what it's going to be feeling like. The average wind chill early Friday morning, minus 38, almost minus 40, just mind-numbingly cold. So I'll keep you posted on all of this, but the big takeaway right now, dry today, dry tonight, snow beginning around 10 a.m. tomorrow morning.